Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download voice messages from Messenger. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, in the search bar, type Download Audio Message Messenger and press Enter. Then, click on the first link that shows up in the search results. Next, click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. Now, a pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension to confirm. After that, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Then, click on the new Messenger download extension you just added. Now, you can use the extension to download your messages from Messenger. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.